Welcome to our channel. If you want to update Windows 11 on an iPad, follow these simple instructions to access and update a Windows environment remotely. Step 1. Understand that Windows 11 cannot be natively installed on an iPad, but you can access a Windows PC remotely using apps like Microsoft Remote Desktop or TeamViewer. Step 2. Download the Microsoft Remote Desktop app from the App Store on your iPad. Step 3. Open the app and tap the plus icon to add a new PC connection. Step 4. Enter the IP address or name of your Windows PC and configure the connection settings. Step 5. Connect to your Windows PC by tapping on the connection you just created. Step 6. Once connected, open the Start menu on the Windows PC and go to Settings. Step 7. Click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. Step 8. Click Check for Updates to see if any new updates are available for Windows 11. Step 9. If updates are found, click Download and Install to begin the update process. Step 10. Wait for the updates to download and install. Your Windows PC may restart during this process. Step 11. After the update is complete, disconnect from the remote desktop session and verify that Windows 11 is up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.